Asking people at Underground Airsoft 2 explain their loadouts. Part 25.
Alright, I got the pistol here. It's red and gold. Nothing too fancy. It's actually a buddy of mine's, but he let me borrow it. I don't know the exact name. It has really nice fire rate. This is the rifle that I've been running, the Lancer Tactical. I believe it's an Enforcer. Got a red dot on it. Got a tracer unit. Shoots really good, especially if you can get that hop up right. It's nice because it has a little mag holder in the back, and for the battery, you just pop the stock out and put it in.
All right, thanks.